It's juicy. Forget the fancy stuff today. I need a big, beautiful Italian sandwich from a family who's been doing it in Central Florida for more than 40 years. Let's check out Stasio's.
But first, a quick shout out to our sponsor, Giant Recreation World. Thanks for the RVs we use to highlight Central Florida's food scene.
In every good Italian kitchen, there has to be a mom running things, right?
Right here. You're
This is
talking
you.
to her. This is me.
This is the mom.
I'm the mother.
All right.
If you're looking for a word to describe Stasio's Italian deli, it's authentic. A true family-owned restaurant with mom, dad, brothers, sister, aunts, and uncles all working, eating, and sometimes fighting to bring an authentic Italian-American experience to Orlando for more than 40 years.
I hear you have amazing Italian sandwiches in this place. Tell me, what is the key to an amazing sandwich?
Oh, it's the best ingredients made in-house all the time. That's what we do with every sub. Fresh.
Chicken taco, a meatball bar, a flag with chicken.
What are we drinking? Like effervescent water, like
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
flavored water, San Pellegrino.
Oh my gosh, you're delivering more. Whoa.
This is the deal.
You ever been to an Italian mom's house? She just keeps bringing you more and more food, and it gets better and better. This is the Stasio. You can see how the juices are already getting into the bread there. There's just all sorts of cornucopia of meats, cheese. Basically, I think this is their version of the Italian. Let's try it. Okay, trying to think of what to say to tell you how much I love this Italian sub. Oh, wait a minute. This is perfect. I think this might be the best Italian I've ever had. But the layers, the juices, the bread. You're not gonna find a better Italian sub than this. It's not gonna happen. Oh, that's good. What could be better?
That's it. Mangia qua.